Built for power and precision, the 1902 MFX iWeld and 7601 MFX FiberStar have revolutionized laser welding in industries of all kinds. These CNC welding workstations have become the gold standard for precision laser welding. Whether you need flexibility for one-off prototypes or efficiency and consistency for high-volume production, these machines have you covered. Integrated into the chamber of the machine is a robust and precise XYZ motion table with full CNC functionality through FiberStar's proprietary MotionFX motion control software. Equipped with a threaded multi-hole base plate, a rotary can be easily positioned and secured in place, yielding CNC capabilities on all 4 axes. The base plate also serves as an ideal platform to develop fixturing for welding an array of parts, all programmed in the same job. To accommodate longer parts, the chamber is equipped with 3 removable panels, one on either side of the machine and one in front between the hand ports. All openings to the chamber are designed with perforated silicone laser safety curtains to maintain a laser-safe welding environment. If programmable motion is not needed for your application, welding can also be done in a semi-automatic or fully manual environment. For semi-automatic welding, the operator can control all axes with the precision joystick or through the auto feed module in MotionFX. When the axes are homed, the chamber yields an impressive 8,920 cubic centimeters of open space, giving the operator full mobility to manipulate a part held in their hands inside the chamber. The intuitive MotionFX software is controlled through the user-friendly 11-inch LCD touchscreen located on the right side of the machine. By navigating to the Teach Mode module, the operator can easily write a G-code motion program tailored to their part's geometry. Simply select absolute or relative coordinates, the desired shape, and the coordinates along that shape. Additional connected or disconnected shapes can be added prior to finalizing the program. The operator can manually write a G-code program through the program module or import a DXF file to be converted. Utilizing DXFs enables engineers and project managers to design a program at a different location, minimizing downtime on the machine. No matter how the program is written, MotionFX has the unique ability to automatically change laser parameters within a single program, allowing for complete automation. A preview of the program geometry can be accessed to ensure accuracy prior to welding. When welding in a manual environment, the operator can directly modify laser parameters using the smaller touchscreen on the front of the machine. The viewing system is a key accessory of the machine to ensure all requirements are met, and FiberStar has a wide range of offerings to choose from. Stereo microscopes are available from 15x to 40x magnification and can be upgraded to include industry-best Leica optics and have an optional camera and monitor attachment. Another option is the Lynx Evo, a 15x magnification projector microscope. For extremely small-scale applications, FiberStar's proprietary DVS can yield magnification levels of up to 115x. Both the 1902 MFX iWeld and 7601 MFX FiberStar come with a 2-year limited warranty and are designed, engineered, and built at FiberStar headquarters in Orlando, Florida. While both systems are built with FiberStar's industry-leading quality, there are some key differences to understand when deciding which machine is best for you. We are America's trusted laser, with our products designed and manufactured here in the USA. For more information on these machines, visit our site, laserstar.net, or reach out to us by email or phone. Click on the video to see our 7803-8803 series CNC industrial welding workstation.